Good morning. Good morning. It is a beautiful day. It's in the 50s. We had a heavy frost last night. I just arrived in Herman, just got out of my car, and here comes the train already. Wow. So, whoa, look at that smoke. Yikes, I love that. If only it was steam, eh? Anyhow, I am back. This is Nancy and Herman. I had computer problems the last couple of weeks, plus some other life events. But I have a lot of content. Wow, that is a shorty, isn't it? So since I haven't been to Herman and it's a beautiful crisp day, I thought I'd start out here. Do they have one car? Wow, look at that. What was that? Crossing the Herman Nestoria Road. Beautiful, eh? I normally get them coming back, not going downhill, but awesome. All right. Our railroad boarding house. Can't tell too much from this angle, but it is caving in really bad. I'll post some pictures. Anyhow, thanks for joining me. I'm going to be packing up and heading down the hill. I thought I'd be here at least an hour. But I will be coming back, and my last video will be the third bridge, which is the Iron Bridge, on the way down the Lons Hill here. I call it the Herman Hill once we're this high. Anyhow, I'm excited. It's a beautiful, crisp day, and a great day for taking train videos. Okay, I'll see you trackside in just a little bit. Silently he comes. He or she. Good morning, it's Nancy and Bovine. It's kind of fun catching the train coming the opposite direction than I usually do. they go. That was short. Wow. Nothing but trucks. Nothing but trucks anymore. Okay, the train is heading in a westerly direction. We are going to head north. And I think the only other video I'm going to take today is the Iron Bridge, but we shall see what happens. Okay, this is Nancy and Bovine with the Canadian National going down the Lance Hill. I'll see you trackside. I have a spider on my camera. Wow. Anyhow, good afternoon. It is about 12:30. Our opening shot was a, oh, what do you call those? Why does that happen to me all the time? Anyhow, the train is coming. It's been a weird morning. I've been at the shrine. I could hear the horn blowing, driving me crazy, but there were people there. I couldn't leave. Finally, everybody left and I took off, hoping I hadn't lost seeing the train. Honeysuckle, that's the name of that bush. They're so beautiful and so fragrant. Anyhow, here comes the train. I am just below the crossing there, 41, and the little mountain, golf course road. And it's so hot. It's beautiful and cool in town because of the bay, but up here it is hot. But I just couldn't miss it. I missed Tuesday. They came in late, so I missed that. So I thought, I gotta get them today. You never know what's gonna happen from day to day. There were more, Sperry was here the other day. You know, they checked the tracks, rails. And then yesterday there was a crew here. I don't know what they were doing. I thought I'd be able to tell today, but I haven't been on the tracks enough or in the right spot to know. I'm a little concerned about being out too long with my camera because last year I ran into problems because of the extreme heat, so. But I did not want to miss them totally this week. $5,400. Oh, I thought I had that loosened up enough. Whoops, there we go. Too much, eh? Poor Derek looks so hot and miserable. Working on railroad tracks has got to be, with a train, has got to be one of the hottest jobs there is. I was going to go to Herman, but I don't think I will. It's probably 100 degrees up there, and I still got to go back to the shrine and do some work. So first I'll go get me a nice taco sub from Pizza Shack. Go sit on the bay and eat. Then go back. So thank you for joining me. I'll have to add this to some from another time that I haven't posted yet. Well, I hope this weather breaks. It's too hot. Anyhow, this is Nancy. As you can see, there's 41. And the road right in front of me is the golf course road. So that's why the double blowing of the horn. Anyhow, thanks to my new subscribers, my old subscribers, and I will see you trackside. We are on the Slate River, headed towards the rock cut. Just taking in some of the beautiful falls. Slate Falls. You walk up along the river here, you see many drops. Just beautiful. Water is a good height, not too high, not too low. It's the old, that's the snowmobile trail up there, snowmobile trail, ATV Trail 14, and that's the old Henry Ford Railroad. Sure is beautiful here. We haven't seen a soul since we left the house. Anyhow, time to head on up the road. Thanks for joining me. This is Nancy at the Slate River, Snowmobile Trail 14. I will catch you trackside.